Hello, brilliant young coders. Today, we are going to learn a super cool skill with menu L203, creating a scrolling message with Python. If you're new to our world of coding, make sure to watch our menu navigation video to become a quick pro. Ready for some action? Hit that joystick and watch as our app springs to life. And if you're just too excited to wait, press the joystick to the left to bypass the help message. Look at that. Hello, how are you? Is smoothly scrolling across our matrix display. Isn't that awesome? Whenever you're ready to explore more, just a quick flick of the joystick to the left will zip you back to the main menu. You're doing an amazing job learning Python coding, one fun step at a time. Want a glimpse of the coding sorcery? We've got a preview of the Python code for you to dive into. Are you ready to get your hands on some real coding? Our simulator is the perfect spot to practice, and it's waiting for you on your laptop. Need a little guidance? Our AI chatbot coding companion is always here to help you unravel the coding puzzles. Jump into the coding adventure with all the tools you need at http://shoginitoys.com. Let's scroll through Python and become coding wizards together. Congratulations! Remember, with our Shogini Toys DIY kit, you can learn to create activities just like this one. For more exciting project ideas and updates, be sure to visit our Shogini Toys website and subscribe to our Instagram and YouTube channels.